everybody, welcome back. So today I have a special guest for you. This is my husband Paul. Say hello, Paul.
Hello, Paul.
So yes, today we're going to be doing a tag video, and I was tagged by Hannah. If you guys are not subscribed to Hannah, please go over there and go ahead and subscribe to her channel. She does some amazing DIYs, and she also does some vlogs, so definitely go check her out. Her username is Hannah Watkins, and I will definitely link her channel below if you guys are interested. So we're just going to go ahead and jump into these questions. The first question is my zodiac sign is, I'll let you go first.
Pisces.
Okay, and I am a Sagittarius. My favorite color is
Black.
Black. And you know what, guys, I go back and forth about favorite colors. I have so many, but let me just tell you a couple. So I really love pink. I love Tiffany blue. I used to really be into purples and stuff, but not so much anymore. I really love white, black. I'm just all over the place with colors. So I don't have a favorite color. I've always wanted to do.
You go first on that one.
Okay, so you know what? I kind of do everything that I want to do. I guess more traveling. I want to do more traveling, and some places that I want to go. Maybe Europe, Paris. Oh God. I don't know. I probably definitely just want to get into a little bit more of the international traveling. What about you?
Poland. Always wanted to go to New Zealand.
And so, if you met me in person, you would probably
not know who the hell I am. I don't know.
Wait. Okay. So no. If the next question is, if you met me in person, you would probably. Okay, I'll go first on this one because he got issues with this question. So. If you met me in person, you would probably think I was super quiet, probably. Which, you think that's true or no? I talk to a lot of people, but
not necessarily.
Okay, no. Okay, I don't know. I think a lot of people think I'm super nice. I should stop looking at him, or something like that. Well, I'm just really a nice and quiet person, and do not pay any attention to him. But anyways, guys, so what would people think of you if they met you in person?
They probably would think I was quiet.
Yeah, that's true. You are very quiet. They wouldn't be lying.
Okay.
Okay. So, all right. Let's see. My real age is, but I feel like. You want to go first on that?
38. Okay.
I'm not going to say, because you know what? A lady never tells her real age. So I'm going to keep that a secret, but you could probably guess we're around the same age. So, probably. But I'm a little bit younger. And so, but I feel like I am. I feel like I am. I don't know. I feel like I'm still in my 20s. I feel very vibrant. Except for, you know, when you get that joint pain and all that happening. But those days, you know what I'm talking about, guys. But yeah, so I feel like I am still, you know, 25 or something, you know, even though that's not true. I have nieces and nephews around that age now. Yeah. So yeah. And how about you?
I felt the same ever since I was 18.
So you still feel 18?
Which sucks because I'm not.
Okay, so but do your body feel 18?
No, it's an 18-year-old trapped in an 80-year-old body.
Okay. Okay, let's see. My favorite thing to do is you want to go first?
Sketch.
Sketch? Okay. I would have thought.
Go to the movies?
That's what I would have thought your favorite thing would have been. Okay, so my favorite thing is, you want to take a guess?
YouTube.
I I love YouTube, I really do. And no, but I think rest and just me time is just my favorite thing, because I never really get that. So if I could have just a few hours of me time without doing anything, you know how when you was like a kid and you was just like, you had time to do, you know, whatever, your makeup, your hair, whatever, just those are the things that I really, really appreciate now, as well as, you know, getting enough sleep at night. I love sleep. See, when I'm not watching YouTube, what am I watching?
I don't really, pretty much everything but YouTube.
Okay, yeah, he is not into YouTube at all. He does not watch YouTube, but he does love politics. What about, what else do you love? What else do you watch?
I'm not watching, I'm reading mostly. So.
Reading? Yeah. And you play games a lot?
Yeah, but it said, what was the question again?
It says, when I'm not watching YouTube, I'm watching. What are you watching? On TV. Movies, horror movies. He likes horror movies.
Yeah.
I shouldn't like answer these questions, but yeah. And I am not into that at all. But I watch them and I'm terrified afterwards. Like, what the heck did I just watch? Because he loves them. So I'm still, yeah. So, let's see. My ideal mate has to have, oh God.
You wanna go first?
No. You go ahead. What you
should go first.
What you want to say?
No, you go first.
No. All right. So yeah, we the ideal mate thing. I guess I would say I guess we are each other's ideal mate since we already married. So, and it's kind of like
It's a trick question.
Right. So yeah, but especially because you ain't answering. Anyway, so let's see. The easiest way to turn me off is by. Would you like me to go first?
Yeah, you go first.
Okay. So the easiest way to turn me off is to be manipulative and lying. I do not like people like that. So yeah.
I'd have to say the lying is pretty bad too.
Okay. Anything else you want to add?
Just being self-centered.
Yeah.
I really don't like that. So.
I don't like those kind of people either. Okay, so I like to blank first thing in the morning. I like to actually have tea first thing in the morning. How about you?
Is not getting up an option?
No. Okay. Yeah. But okay, you like to stay in the bed if you can?
If I could, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, those were the good old days, huh?
Otherwise, if I had the time, it'll be exercise.
Which the first thing I buy is. You wanna go first? You want me to?
You go first.
Okay. I would buy a brand new house. I'm not even gonna lie. I would get out of this one quickly, fast, in a hurry, and buy myself a brand new house, new construction from the ground up. That's what I would do. And also, you know, my parent, my mother, I would buy her a new house as well. How about you?
Well, since you're buying a house, can
and my sister.
And your sister?
And my sister too.
Okay.
And what else?
And since you're buying a house, can I buy a car?
Okay.
The first thing
it depends on who got rich. Did I get rich or did you get another secret? I'm just kidding.
No, you got rich.
Okay, yeah, of course you can have a car. Oh. If I would be anyone else in the world, I would be. That's hard.
I never thought of it.
I never really thought about being somebody else either. But you know what? I think I'm happy with being myself. However, I would love to have money like Beyonce and Jay-Z. I think they probably have a nice time. However, I do not want their marital problems and all that. But, yeah. And all that stuff that goes along with it. But whatever.
I'd be the rich me from the previous question.
Yeah, well, okay, yeah. Okay.
I don't want to be anybody else, so.
Yeah. Okay. And with that, guys, I think we have answered all the questions. All right, thank you to Mr. Bobby Cat for coming on today and actually showing himself. He really does not like to be on camera. He's really shy about the camera. I had to force him. So thank you, Hannah, so much for tagging me in this video. I am going to tag Colors by Kale. I'm going to tag Diva Spot 101 and Nicole No Fire. So you guys, I'm going to be looking out for your videos and your answers, and I hope you guys will do it. It was so much fun for me. Hopefully you will enjoy it as well. And so yeah. And also, anybody else that wants to do the video is welcome. And you guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you along for the ride. And also hit the notification bell and that thumbs up button. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
See you.